Hi everyone, this is Warren from EVOffer. Today I'm going to show you how to install the heated steering module on the steering wheel. You have to make sure that the steering wheel has the heated feature, otherwise even if you have installed the module, it cannot be heated up. So let's start. First we have to remove the buttons. That will be 4 T20 screws. So I'll put it aside and then here in the bottom. Yep. So I will remove all the screws first. If you found them blocking your way, you can flip it over. Try to pry on this. So you can take out the raised thing. That is for the horn, but we can take it out first. You can pry it like this, so to prevent it broken. Okay, so once you have taken it out, disconnect it, and I can take out the screws. And now I can remove the whole buttons. Okay, so you can see that there's a wire connected. This is the wire for the heated wires. Make sure you have this wire on your steering wheel, otherwise it will not work. So now we have to remove the module here. I think it should be a T10. Okay. So use a T10 to unscrew the module. Now the module can be taken out. You can press and pull the module and replace it with the one that we have shipped to. Set it back to here and tighten the 2 screws here. Now you can put it in reverse, install the whole things back. Oh, make sure you have connected the blue connector back, otherwise it will not work. Now connect back the horn wires and also screw back the 40-20 screws back and install it on your car, and it is all set. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.